How to create carved text effect. Go to the Layer panel. Change the name BG. OK. Change the stroke color to none. Use Rectangle tool. Create a square. Go to the Swatches panel. Change color to yellow. Go to the Layer panel. Lock the layer. Create a new layer. OK. Use Type tool. Enter any quotes what you like. Alright. Adjust the size bigger. I prefer to choose a bold type fonts if you have. Adjust the size again. Adjust the spacing. Alright. Go to Character panel. Adjust the text leading. Alright. Go to the Swatches panel. Change color to yellow. Go to Effect, select 3D. Click Extrude and Bevel. Click Preview. Click Draw Hidden Faces. Change Blend Steps to 256. Change Extrude Depth to 90. Change Angle 50, -25 and 20. OK. Adjust the size a little bit bigger. Go to Object, click Expand Appearance. Use Direct Selection tool. Hold the Shift key. Select all the front side shapes of the word, like this. Alright, press Command X, cut it. Use Selection tool. Select all. Press Command Shift Y. Go to Object, select Compound Path, click Make. Select all. Go to Object, select Clipping Mask, click Make. Alright. Use Direct Selection tool. Select this one. Use Eyedropper tool. Select this color. Now the gradient color change smooth. Alright. Keep to check and adjust the gradient colors. Alright. Adjust the size a little bit bigger. Go to Align panel, click Horizontal Align Center. Click Vertical Align Center. Perfect. We have finished the carved text effect. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.